Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, we will talk about color component. So here we go. Here we start new project and just type your project name as color. Okay. And here you can see that's the screen here, right? So I'm going to display here random color. Okay, dynamically, right? So how we can do this? So we are going to change this screen color. Okay, on button click. So here I'm going to add one button and make this button with this fill parent, and then just change this text to change color like this. And now I'm going to put here three text box. Okay, so I'm going to add here one component horizontal arrangement, and make this one fill parent like this, and use here text box 1, 2 and third one 3. Okay, and make all these widths at least 20% like this. Make all of them 20%, width 20, 20 and 20. Okay, like this. Now we have to put the value here. So click on horizontal arrangement and make this one center like this, and change this horizontal arrangement color to black, and make this button color should be something orange like this. Now okay, so now we will change the color after putting the value on this box. So let's go to the block section. Whenever someone click on button 1, so we have to get the color code. So click on the color. You will see that's the built-in blocks here. That one is control, logic, maths, and there are a lot of. So we are reading here color. So click on the color and you will see there are a lot of color. You have to just choose. But there is one more option is make color. So we are going to make color here. So just drag and drop this make color here and click on the screen, and you will see here the option of background color. Set screen 1 dot background color like this, and change here, like put here like this. Now remove all these like this, and we have to click on text box 1 and just text box 1 dot text like this. Copy paste it 3 times. This one is second, this one is third, right? Now let's run this app. I already have run this app. That's the app here. Now I'm going to change these hint box and go to the design. Click on text box and change this hint box to 0 to 256 like this. Okay, just put this value and nothing like this and like this. Let's see, 0 to 256. If I just put 7, 7, 7 and just click on this change color button, you will see that's the color of the screen here. If I just put here 77, 74, 71, click on change color, you will see the color of this screen. If I just put here something else like 250, 0 and then 0 and change color, you will see that's the color. So you can test your random color here with random number. Okay, so that's very easy and basic app. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.